Hello and welcome to this special coverage of the Bhavani Singh Rathore Presents Jaipur Open 2023, powered by AU Small Finance Bank. The event was held at the Rambagh Golf Club in Jaipur, and here we present to you the highlights of the action-packed 4 days. This was the 19th and penultimate event of the 2023 Tata Steel PGTI season. This has been a pulsating season with plenty of ups and downs and dramatic finishes. The Rambagh Golf Club witnessed a lot of that. Compared to the last two events in Gurugram and Kolkata, where it was tough to shoot low rounds, this was a low-scoring tournament. This turned out to be one of the most thrilling competition of the year. Aman Raj had the last laugh, but not before some nerve-wracking action. The Bhavani Singh Rathore Presents Jaipur Open 2023, powered by AU Small Finance Bank, offered a total prize purse of Rs 1 crore. This was the highest ever for a golf tournament in the historic city of Jaipur. Mr. Bhavani Singh Rathore was the presenting partner for the tournament. AU Small Finance Bank was the powered by partner. And Rambagh Golf Club was of course the charming host venue. Mr. Bhavani Singh Rathore is a professional golfer and a PGTI member. He has played in PGTI events in the past. He participated in this competition as well. He holds a law degree from Oxford University. He was also part of the Oxford University golf team. He has roots in Rajasthan and said it felt great to be back in Jaipur. He spoke highly of the depth of talent and standard on the Tata Steel PGTI. There were 126 players, including 123 professionals and 3 amateurs. The tournament featured some of the leading Indian professionals: Manu Ganda's defending champion Om Prakash Chauhan and former champions Khalil Joshi, Aman Raj and Shamim Khan were there. Sachin Basoya, Rahil Gangji and Udyan Mane were among the other eminent participants. Mr. Uttam Singh Mandi, the CEO of PGTI, thanked Mr. Bhavani Singh Rathore and AU Small Finance Bank for supporting Rajasthan's premier professional golf event. Mr. Sanjay Agrawal, the founder, MD and CEO of AU Small Finance Bank Limited, said they are committed to initiatives driven by sports.
The reason I decided to get involved was very simple. Obviously, being a PGTI pro myself, having played first as an amateur, then as a pro on the tour, and now I didn't expect to be involved in this capacity, but being involved, I know the standard of golf, and it's not unique to the PGTI, is very high and the depth of the field is very high.
As a AU, we always promote the sports because sports is essential for everyone's life.
One has to mention the beautiful golf course. Rambagh Golf Club is the prime golfing venue of Rajasthan. It has a par 70 championship course. The course is strategically designed in sandy loam soil. It is set in a picturesque location with beautiful surroundings. Moving around the course, one gets a view of the Rambagh Palace Hotel, Moti Dungri Fort, Nahargarh Fort, and the Birla Planetarium. The majestic setting provided the ideal backdrop for the action that unfolded on the course. It was suspense almost till the end before Aman Raj clinched it. An albatross is a very rare occurrence on a golf course. Perhaps that is why this term is derived from the name of a bird which has gone extinct. The Bhavani Singh Rathod presents Jaipur Open 2023, powered by AU Small Finance Bank, witnessed this rare phenomenon, not just once but twice. An albatross happens when a player shoots 3 under par on a hole. In other words, if a player holds out in 2 shots on a par 5 or makes a hole in 1 on a par 4, he or she is said to have made an albatross on that particular hole. Therefore, one comes across an albatross occasionally. The Rambagh Golf Club saw lightning strike twice on the same day. During the second round of the event, Divyanshu Bajaj and Varun Parekh achieved this once-in-a-lifetime feat. For Divyanshu, it came on the par 5 14th hole. It's a hole where the player from Kolkata saved par in the first and fourth rounds. On day 3, he had made a birdie out there. In the second round, Divyanshu mastered it in just 2 shots, holing out from 280 yards. It was an amazing moment. Eventually, Divyanshu finished 21st. For Varun, the albatross came on the par 5 8th hole. It was a day to remember for this Ahmedabad pro, even though he eventually missed the cut. Also missing the cut was Order of Merit leader Om Prakash Chauhan. He carded even par rounds on the first 2 days. It was a tournament which saw some low scoring. The winning tally was 19 under. Just 1 stroke separated the champion from the joint runners-up. The gap between those placed tied second and fourth was also 1 stroke. It turned out to be another so near yet so far story for Akshay Sharma. Despite playing some excellent golf, he finished 4th. Akshay has been doing well this season. Even though he has not won a title, his performance in the second half of the season has been consistent. He had finished inside the top 10 5 times in his last 8 outings before coming to Jaipur. His best was sold second at the Vizag Open and the JNK Open presented by JNK Tourism. The player from Chandigarh was the sole leader after the first round. His score was a brilliant 7 under. There were 8 birdies and just a single bogey for him on that day. Akshay began with a long birdie conversion on the 3rd. He went on to collect 5 more birdies from a range of less than 10 feet. There was a bogey on the 15th, but he made up for it with birdies on the last 2 holes. Not that Akshay did badly on the next 2 days. Tallies of 2 under for successive days were decent. But they were not enough in an event where a lot of players were returning subpar rounds. Akshay managed 5 birdies combined on the 2nd and 3rd days. This pegged him back. He was placed 3rd after the 3rd round. The gap between him and the leader was 4 shots. Akshay gave it his best on the final day. His 4th round was a 6 under. There was an eagle on the par 5 8th and birdies on the last 3 holes. The winner of 2 PGTI titles finished 4th with a tally of 17 under. He was 2 shots behind the winner. Nonetheless, he ended the week 7th on the Order of Merit with earnings of Rs 40.43 lakh. There was some excellent golf on display on the last day. Saptak Talwar and Sanit Bishnoi shot scores of 8 under 62. These were the best rounds of the tournament. It was scintillating stuff to see these two in top form. They did not win the title but finished tied second, just one shot behind the champion. Sanat has been one of the discoveries of the season. He won his maiden PGTI title at the India Cements Pro Championship in Chennai in August. The player from Gurugram had finished inside the top 10 three more times before this one. He got off to a good start in Jaipur. His opening round was 5 under. He birdied 6 holes including the first and the 18th. Contention. A birdie on the 18th could have forced a playoff. However, he could only hold par on this par 5 hole. Irrespective of that, Saptak should cherish this career best performance. He showed that he could deliver under pressure.
This is steel, and this is an idea. So what happens when we join them? Something marvelous, like cars that are lighter, more fuel efficient, yet safer. Thanks to high-perform automotive steel, which lowers CO2 emission and makes this world a better place. Tomorrow is shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel. We also make tomorrow.
मैडम को पैसे से प्यार नहीं है।
भाई साहब, पैसे से प्यार है तभी तो एयू से करार है।
ऐसा क्यों?
आपका बैंक सेविंग्स अकाउंट पे इंटरेस्ट देता है
3 महीने में एक बार।
मेरा एयू हर महीने। इनको भी एयू से प्यार हो गया। सोच बदलो और बैंक भी। एयू स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, बदलाव हमसे है।
Life with Vedika, always full of altitude.
पुरानी वर्सेस नई, कौन सी पेंशन स्कीम सही?
आपका हर सवाल सीधा होता है।
सरकारी नौकरी करे यानी कि देश सेवा करे, उसको पैसे देने की बात आए तो गुणा भाग और अर्थव्यवस्था समझाई जाती है।
पक्ष या विपक्ष, सीधे सवालों के साथ संदीप चौधरी आपको रखे आगे। सीधा सवाल रोज शाम 7 बजे सिर्फ एबीपी न्यूज पर। एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।
Aman Raj likes playing in Jaipur. He has fond memories of this place. It was in the Pink City in 2018. He won the first PGTI title. Fittingly, his 4th career title also came in Jaipur. This was his 3rd win of the year. The year 2023 has been the most productive of his life so far as a pro golfer. He had to wait a long 5 years for his second triumph on this tour. That moment came at the Gujarat Open in March this year. But Aman had been a consistent performer. He finished in the top 10 on the order of merit a number of times. With one event to go this year, he is placed second. This pro from Patna was the standout player at the Bhavani Singh Rathore Presents Jaipur Open 2023, powered by AU Small Finance Bank. His best round was 6 under. There were others who did better on a single day, but Aman's worst was 4 under. His graph did not fluctuate, that made the difference. There were others who did better on a single day, but Aman's worst was 4 under. His graph did not fluctuate, that made the difference. This consistency was visible in the standing after each day. Aman's position kept getting better. He was tied 4th after the first round.
Aman Raj, the cool customer, 4th title and 3rd of the year. His second win here at the Rambagh Golf Club in Jaipur.
To be honest, the speech has been coming in my mind since the last night. I couldn't sleep properly, but now I've forgotten everything. Starting off with thanking PGTI, the sponsors, the golf course. It was tremendous. It was great. My parents, my coach Shashi Raj Sinha, my best friend Imran over here. He has been sticking with me for the past few weeks now. I think he's rushing to go back home, but thankfully he could see me win. It's a good ride. It's a lot of emotional up and down, but I'm glad to be a part of it and looking forward to the next week.
This lifted Aman from 4th to 2nd position on the Tata Steel PGTI ranking with season's earning of rupees 84.81 lakh. Aman has had a standout year with 3 wins and 5 other top 10 finishes. He would be high on confidence ahead of the year-ender in Jamshedpur.
This event is an important event for all the players because the fact that this being the last tournament of the season where the top 60 players get decided who would be playing next week, as well as who keep the card for the next year. And the number 1 on the order of merit after next week gets an exemption into the European Tour as a full card under category 17. So it's a big fight between, I guess, the top 2 players. Some great playing by Saptak. Fantastic. And Sanhit, some amazing golf. Hard luck. Like I always say, every time I keep saying, I say it's always so always the next week for the players. You know, as long as we have enough weeks to go through. I wish all the others who've made in the top 60 the very best of luck for the next week as well as for the year 2024.
This is Steel, and this is an idea. What happens when we join them? Something magnificent. Like the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, 3 times the height of the Eiffel Tower. An iconic landmark where Tata Steel's Comfloor 80 composite floor decking has played a part, making it a triumph of human inspiration. Tomorrow shaped by imagination and steel.
Tata Steel, we also make tomorrow.
तुम सिविल लाइंस जाना, तुम एमजी रोड, समझ गए?
जी सेठ।
वाह मामू, मिठाइयों की डिलीवरी चल रही है, सीआईडी की प्लानिंग।
डिलीवरी नहीं बेटा, सब अलग-अलग बैंक जा रहा है।
ऐसा क्यों?
बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है ना बेटा, एक ही बैंक से काम नहीं चलता।
चलता है ना, एयू करंट अकाउंट पे सब मिलता है।
वाह।
मामू, सोच बदलो और बैंक भी। मेरी फीस। एयू स्मॉल फाइनेंस बैंक, बदलाव हमसे है।
फ्रूटनिक इलेक्ट्रो प्लस, रिहाइड्रेट, फील अलाइव।
काम घर में कर रहे हो या बाहर या किसी बीमारी से उबर रहे हो, आप बिना जाने डिहाइड्रेट हो सकते हैं। रोज जरूरत है फ्रूटनिक इलेक्ट्रो प्लस रिहाइड्रेट। इसका अनोखा R3 फॉर्मूला इलेक्ट्रोलाइट रिस्टोर करे, ग्लाइकोजन रिप्लेनिश करे और मसल्स का तनाव कम करे तुरंत एनर्जी के साथ।
फ्रूटनिक इलेक्ट्रो प्लस रिहाइड्रेट।
Life with Vedika, always full of altitude.
The Tata Steel PGTI is well known for its extremely competitive Pro-Am events. The event in Jaipur was no exception.
Amateurs on the team, Vinay Goda,
The Pro-Am event was won by Shivendra Singh Sisodia and his team. The Gurugram-based professional was accompanied by amateurs Mr. Vinay Godha, Mr. Surinder Yadav and Mr. Vinay Kumar Sharma. Their score was 53.8. Delhi-based professional Vinay Kumar Yadav and his team consisting of amateurs Mr. Sunil Benewal, Mr. Vikram Yadav and Mr. Sashi Kiran finished second. They tallied 54. The prize for the closest to the pin on hole number 6 was won by Miss Etty Chaudhary. A short lap
for giving us the opportunity to host this event. It was a real pleasure to watch all of you guys, and congratulations to all the winners.
We, Small Finance Bank, is all sports loving in a bank and keep participating in such events. And this is the second consecutive years we are part of sponsors. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, PGTI.
And this brings us to the end of another spectacular week of golf.